The mapping below represents y as a quadratic function of x. And so we've got our x values here and our y values here. So let's make a table, because we can see a better picture with the table than we can with the mapping. So we have got -2, -1, 0, and 2. -2 maps to -3. -1 maps to -3.75. 0 maps to -4. And 2 maps to -3. Now they give us four different representations to choose from. We've got a table, a graph, a set of points, a set of ordered pairs, and then a function in y equals. So I would start with the easiest one and rule that one out and see if that's not it. So I would take my calculator. I have to move things over, and I go to y equals and put in 0.25 x squared minus 4. And then hit second graph, and that takes you to the table. I'm going to zoom in now. Okay, so now I'm at the table, and I want to see if it matches this table. So I've got -2 and -3. So let's go over here and see what it is. -2, -3. That matches. Then I've got -1 and -3.75. That matches. 0 and -4, and 2 and -3. So they all check out. So the table matches. So I know that the function or the relationship, the same representation, would be D, because that gives me all the same points. Now, if I didn't know, if that wasn't the correct one, then I could use my calculator and go to Stat, and there is Edit, and I'd hit Enter, and in my calculator I'd put the value of -2, Enter, -1, Enter, 0, Enter, and 2, Enter. Then arrow over and say -3, Enter, -3.75, Enter, -4, Enter, -3, Enter. And then I would hit Stat and arrow over to Calculate. And then right here at number 5 it says quadratic. So I'd hit number 5 and then Enter. And there it pulls up my equation. And there we get the same equation again, 0.25 x squared minus 4, because 0 is for B. So we doubly know now that it can't be either one of these. It has to be this equation. Okay?